WOLF stock analysis and WOLF stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, what I will be doing is just breaking down my exact play. And me and myself, like as the only guy in this space that has done 42,000 videos, I have seen what's actually printing me money and what's not. And more so, I've documented it all. Like all of these videos are on my YouTube channel documented. Especially now with Wolf, it's melting. Like I've gotten 4 sell side predictions. And like the second last one here was a long, which I got 2, like one was a break even, but overall 5 predictions in a 9 in a row, because I've gotten a break even in there, have been correct. And if you've been watching my videos with Wolf, you're just nodding your head like when I tell you this, like boom, there you go. Like this was sitting at $10 at the time 6 months back. Now if you're new on the channel, you might not even know like what the heck, is this a scam or whatever? Bro, I've been covering Wolf on my YouTube channel, and there's been receipts even in the Discord with 34 results very consistently. And even this one, like here, let me show you the proof of me calling it out. There you go. I'm sitting at 143. Boom, 10 days back. And ultimately, if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month free, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.